Hello, I want a new iPhone.
Hello. Which iPhone are you interested in?
I want the iPhone 16, please.
Great choice. Which model do you want?
What models are available now?
We have iPhone 16 and 16 Pro.
What's the difference between them?
The Pro has a better camera.
Is the screen size different too?
Yes, the Pro is slightly bigger.
I see. What colors are available?
We have black, silver, and blue.
I like the blue one.
That's a popular choice. Looks great.
How much does it cost?
The iPhone 16 is $999.
And how much is the Pro?
The iPhone 16 Pro is $1,199.
That's expensive. Is there a discount?
We have trade-in discounts available.
How does the trade-in work?
You give us your old phone.
I have an iPhone 14.
That's good. You can get $300 off.
So, I pay $699 for iPhone 16?
Yes, after the trade-in discount.
That's a good deal.
Yes. Would you like to trade it?
Yes, I want to trade now.
Great. Let me check your phone.
Here is my old iPhone.
Thank you. I'll inspect it quickly.
Sure, take your time.
Your phone is in good condition.
That's great. I took good care.
Yes, it looks almost new.
So, I get the full discount?
Yes. You get the full $300 off.
Perfect. I'll take the iPhone 16.
Do you want any accessories?
What accessories do you recommend?
A case and a screen protector.
That sounds useful. How much?
A case is $30, protector is $20.
Okay, I'll take both items.
Great. Do you need a charger?
Doesn't the phone come with one?
No, it comes without a charger.
Oh, then I need a charger too.
We have fast chargers for $40.
That's expensive, but I'll take one.
Great. Anything else you need?
No, that's all for now.
Okay. Let's finalize your purchase.
Yes, I'm ready to pay.
Would you like to pay by card?
Yes, I'll use my credit card.
Please insert your card here.
Done. Is the payment successful?
Yes. Payment is confirmed.
That's good. Do I get a receipt?
Yes, here's your receipt.
Thank you. Can I set up here?
Yes. I can help with setup.
That would be very helpful.
Let's turn on your new phone.
It looks amazing. So sleek.
Yes, the design is beautiful.
What's the first step?
First, connect to Wi-Fi.
Okay, I'll do that now.
Next, sign in to iCloud.
I remember my Apple ID.
Great. Enter your details here.
Done. What's next?
Now, transfer your old data.
How long does it take?
About 10 to 15 minutes.
That's not too bad.
Yes. Just wait a little.
Can I use the phone now?
Yes, but data is still transferring.
Okay. I can explore settings now.
Yes. Set up Face ID next.
All right, I will do that.
Move your face in circles.
Done. Face ID is working.
Great. Now your phone is secure.
That's very convenient and fast.
Yes, Face ID is very fast.
Everything is almost ready now.
Yes. Just wait for data.
Can I install apps later?
Yes. Apps will restore automatically.
That's very easy and simple.
Yes, Apple makes it convenient.
I'm excited to use this phone.
You'll love it. It's very powerful.
I believe so. It feels great.
Yes. Enjoy your new iPhone 16.
So, what's new in iPhone 16?
It has a faster processor now.
What does that mean exactly?
Apps open quicker and run smoothly.
That sounds really good.
Yes. Multitasking is much better too.
How's the battery life now?
It lasts up to 28 hours.
That's longer than my old phone.
Yes. The battery is much improved.
Does it charge faster too?
Yes. It supports 40W fast charging.
How long to fully charge?
Around 40 minutes to 100%.
That's super fast. Amazing improvement.
Yes. Charging is very convenient now.
What about the camera upgrades?
The main camera is 50 megapixels.
Wow. That's a big upgrade.
Yes. Photos are much clearer now.
How's the night mode quality?
Much better. Low light photos look natural.
That's great. I take night photos.
You'll love the improved night shots.
Does it have better video recording?
Yes. 8K video with better stabilization.
So, no more shaky videos?
Exactly. Very smooth and professional.
That's perfect for my travel videos.
Yes. Many vloggers use this phone.
What about the selfie camera?
It's now 24 megapixels.
That's a big upgrade.
Yes. Selfies are sharper and brighter.
Can I test the camera now?
Sure. Open the camera app.
Wow. The photos look so clear.
Yes. The details are amazing.
The colors look very natural too.
Yes. It has improved color accuracy.
What about portrait mode?
Try it. Background blur is better now.
This looks like a professional photo.
Yes. AI enhances every picture.
Does it work on videos too?
Yes. Cinematic mode is even better.
That's great. I love making videos.
This phone is perfect for that.
What about the new screen?
It's a 120 Hz promotion display.
What does that mean exactly?
Scrolling feels much smoother. Try it.
Wow. The screen feels really fast.
Yes. Everything looks more fluid.
What about screen brightness?
It's brighter outdoors now.
So, no more sunlight problems?
Exactly. You can see everything clearly.
That's very useful for me.
Yes. No more screen glare issues.
Is it stronger than before?
Yes. It has stronger glass.
So, it won't break easily?
It's more resistant to drops.
That's very important for me.
Yes. Accidents happen, but this helps.
Does it support water resistance?
Yes. It's water resistant up to 6 meters.
So, no problem in the rain?
No problem at all. Completely safe.
That's great peace of mind.
Yes. A very durable phone.
What about software updates?
You get updates for 6 years.
That's a long time.
Yes. You'll always have the latest iOS.
That's really worth the price.
Yes. It's a long-term investment.
I feel happy with my choice.
You picked a fantastic phone.
Can I transfer my apps now?
Yes. Just log into iCloud.
Okay, I'll do it now.
Your apps will download automatically.
That's so easy and convenient.
Yes. Apple makes switching simple.
Everything is transferring smoothly now.
Perfect. Do you have questions?
No, I think I'm good.
Great. Enjoy your new iPhone.
Thank you for all the help.
You're very welcome.
I'll recommend this store to friends.
That's very kind. We appreciate it.
All right, I should head home now.
Have a great day.
You too. Thanks again.
Enjoy your new iPhone.
I definitely will. Goodbye.
Goodbye. See you next time.